Okay, so here we start trying to move the trip, and hopefully we can get to the point. So what I do is I lift up the hands here, and at the same time I push my foot down hard on the corner so don't break the liner. And in the meantime, the left hand will try to get this one into that. Okay, so hit this one hard first, and then slide the hand. One more. Yeah, I can see. So at this point, would be able to see that the liner lift already at the same level as the frame. Okay, this frame here, and the lip is there. So we need to slide something harder in, and this corner would probably get out. Oops. Yeah, here we go. See, so after 2 more push from the foot, it comes out. Absolutely beautiful. So with the assistance of 1 and 2, and actually the foot press down here to thumb, and the hand, you know, hold this one and lift on the corner here good. Then you actually get the lip out. Okay, so the lip is definitely out, and yep, we will try to get more into the corner there. Now, to go down there better, we actually want to remove that far end, you know, lips, actually lock in at the far end. Okay, that one, and then it will be easier. But for now, I'm very happy that we already get this section out at the corner. Brilliant. So hopefully this video will be helpful for someone to start removing the liner. You can see, that even now I can peel out by my one single hand and while I'm holding camera. Okay, so I don't need to remove any other section. That's good. At least that's good for us by now. Alrighty, so one hand I can lift this one, and at the same time this section is here like this, and don't push too hard, otherwise it might break it. So at this moment it's very happy, the part is very happy to stay, and I'm sure that after removing that far end lift, which actually is this one, is this lift. Okay, this one. Okay, if we remove this, then we can easily lift up the left side, and if the left side comes out, then it will come out. But if you want to remove completely this top liner, very likely you need to remove the sport bar over here and the other side, and inside those sport bar it might have some wiring, it might not, so be careful. I will check it when you do that. With our work right now, we don't expect that we have to remove the whole top out, so that's good for us because we just want to access a bit more on the left side, so we will spend time to remove the side here easy, but I can see it's very easy right now. Okay, and I believe that when we want to get it back, we would have to do the similar way. Lift it up, slide down and slide in, okay, by foot, by hand, by force, but give it enough force and you can will be all good. So hopefully this is helpful for someone. Thank you, and we'll see you then.